Hi, this is Emily. This is the Google Maps video. So I'm just going to start off with like a regular Google Maps search, and then it'll bring you to that page. Click on the side tab bars, and you can click your places. And I've already made the country that we're going to focus in and the city we're going to focus in. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And we have started off on some places. So I'm going to go here first, the Vasa Museum. Alright, so at the Vasa Museum, it's near Island. It's two museums. It tells us about the Vasa ship and her history. It's also included is the Vasa Museum Garden, and here's just kind of a video tour from a drone perspective. Next we're going to go to Generator Stockholm. That's going to be the hostel we're staying at. We can zoom in a little bit here. Okay, and it's a hostel inspired by the city's sense of design and all of the arts. And you can see how much it is. It's like a 3-star hotel. You can check the availability and see the amenities that it has. Alright, next we're going to go to the ice bar, and you can see as you hover over it, it'll highlight the little area. And on the other ones you can see like the fork and knife for restaurants, the buildings with the museums, the trees are parks, and then the little martini glasses like cocktail bars, stuff like that. Music note for the concert hall. And then Parliament House, it has a different little building on it. Okay, so the ice bar, we'll click on that. So it's also an ice hotel as well. So you can go here, you can stay here. I think there's like an option too where you can go watch the Northern Lights on it. And you can look at photos down here, how busy it is, popular times of the day. They don't open until 3, so you can see where it gets busier at 3 and then slowly gets less busy past 9. And then you can see a delivery, takeout, dine-in. Alright, we'll go back. Okay, this one is an island in Stockholm. It's home to historic buildings, museums, galleries. It's got an amusement park, residential area, and extensive stretches of forest and meadows. And you can click on it. You can see it's right here. And zoom in more. And you can just see where everything is. Like it's got cafes around it, the garden party, restaurants, science center, stuff like that. And then you can share it with people if you want to. Send it to phones, more photos, reviews. And that's how you use Google Maps. And then I've got all the rest of them down here as well, where I've added notes about what they are.